Welcome to the Enact video series. This video illustrates Enact licensing features that help you get the most out of your quality investment. It demonstrates how Enact licenses can be assigned to either individual users or to specific computer workstations, and how to easily modify your total license count to suit current business needs. Manufacturers require flexible software licensing methods that meet their specific and dynamic needs. Enact meets those needs by providing the capability to assign licenses to individual users or to specific computer workstations. Managers, supervisors, and engineers frequently log into Enact while in their offices, but might also need to access their data while on the road, at home, or in a conference room during meetings. These users would benefit most from a license assigned directly to their user account, which enables them to log into Enact from any workstation or mobile device, providing access to their data wherever they are. Enact shop floor operators have different needs. They typically access Enact while they're on the shop floor, primarily for entering data, and it is common for several operators to share the same workstation during a shift. Assigning a license to a shared computer workstation is often the best choice for shop floor operators. In this scenario, a single license allows an unlimited number of operators to access Enact from a shared workstation. It's ideal for today's dynamic work environments. Enact license configuration is easy. To assign a license to a user, simply access a user's profile and select Yes for the assigned license setting. If No is selected for the user's assigned license setting, the user can only access Enact from a workstation that has been assigned a license. To assign a license to a workstation, access any workstation profile and check the Assigned License checkbox. This enables any active Enact user to log in at this workstation as needed. Enact offers the flexibility to assign licenses to users or workstations in any combination to suit your organizational needs. It's all under your control and can be changed at any time. All new Enact tenants are configured with 5 available licenses. Enact administrators can adjust their company's license count at any time via the Licenses page, enabling them to quickly respond to changing business requirements, such as expansion or seasonal production adjustments. License counts are not controlled by InfinityQS. Monthly billing is based on the maximum number of licenses activated at any time during that month and is adjusted automatically. This provides the most cost-effective approach for license management, as clients can add or remove licenses as their needs change. Here's an example that illustrates Enact licensing flexibility. Cherry Chips has 2 potato chip production lines. Each line consists of 4 areas: slicing, frying, seasoning, and packaging. Each area is staffed by 2 operators and has a single shared data entry workstation. The Cherry Chips Quality Lab has 2 workstations shared by 5 quality technicians. The staff also includes 2 line supervisors, a site manager, and 2 quality engineers who need Enact access from a variety of devices while working from home, in meeting rooms, and while traveling. The optimal license configuration for this operation requires 15 Enact licenses, 8 licenses assigned to workstations in the production areas, 2 licenses assigned to workstations in the quality lab, and 5 licenses assigned to the supervisor, site manager, and quality engineer user accounts. This configuration provides supervisory and management personnel with the flexibility to access Enact from multiple locations and devices, while cost-effectively assigning licenses to the workstations shared by production and quality personnel. Thank you for watching the Enact licensing overview. This video introduced how Enact licenses can be assigned to either individual users or to computer workstations, providing the utmost in licensing flexibility, and how the total license count can be easily modified to suit current business needs. We hope you enjoyed this introductory video series on Enact, the cloud-based quality intelligence platform from InfinityQS.